Hi guys, welcome to exam pad. In today's class, they have given this exponential problem. They ask us to find the equivalent value for this. So let's start our solution. So solution for this question is, by seeing itself, we can able to identify that is 8 square is equal to 64 and 8 cube is equal to 512. So just substitute it in its place. So therefore, 64 power 672 minus 512 power 444 by 64 power 668 plus 64 power 665. So now which is it? This is what the question. So just substitute it values. Therefore 8 square the whole power 672 minus 8 cube power 444 by 8 square power 668 plus 8 square power 665. Okay, so this is what we need. So this is how we need to make the substitutions. So by seeing itself, this is in the form of a power m the whole power n, which is equal to a power m into n. Okay, so just use that formula. Therefore this becomes 8 power 2 into 672 minus 8 power 3 into 444 divided by 8 power 2 into 668 plus 8 power 2 into 665. Okay, so just multiply and write its value. Therefore 8 power 2 2s are 4, 14 balance 1, 12 plus 1, 13. Okay, so minus 8 power here 12 balance 1, 13 balance 1, 13. Okay, so divided by 8 power 8 2s are 16 balance 1, 3 balance 1, 1 3 plus 8 power 10 balance 1, 3 balance 1, 1 3. Okay, so now if you see here, I am going to write this in the form of 1332. So how we can able to write like this? So let's do 332 plus 1 2, then it will give 1344. So just repeat and write. So here also what we have 332. Similarly do the same thing for denominator also. Therefore, so this write in terms of this. Therefore 8 power 1330 plus 6 plus 81330. Okay, so this is in the form of a power m plus n can also be written as a power m into a power n. So just use that rule here. Therefore this becomes 8 power 332 multiplied by 8 power 12 minus 8 power 1332 divided by 8 power 1330 multiplied by 8 power 6 plus 8 power 1330. So by seeing this itself, these two will be common. So take that commonly out. So thereby, now which is equal to 81332 was common. So take that out. Here remaining is 8 power 12. Here nothing is there. So just consider defaultly that as 1. So 1 divided by 8 power 1330 was common. Therefore 8 power 6 plus 1. Okay. So now this is in the form of a power m divided by a power n. So this can also be written as a power m minus n. Is it? So then this can be replaced by 8 power 1332 minus 1330. Okay, of, and I am going to write this 12 is in the form of 6. Then what I have to do? 8, 6 2s are 12. Is it? So minus 1 divided by 8 power 6 plus 1. Okay, so next step what I am going to do is, so just see here. So next step is, so just see this. Okay, so this becomes 8 power 1332 minus 1330 means what we have remaining is 2. So 8 square half. So by seeing itself, this is in the form of a power m into n. So it is equal to what? A power m the whole power n. Is it? So now I am going to apply this. Here 6 into 2. Then this becomes 6 power 2. Okay. So just use that. 8 power 6 the whole square minus 1 divided by 8 power 6 plus 1. So 1 square is always 1, is it? So by seeing itself, this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. So just use the formula here, which is equal to a square of a power 6 plus 1 and a power 6 minus 1. Okay. So divided by a power 6 plus 1. So by seeing itself, 8 power 6 is there in numerator as well as in denominator. So cancel. It get cancelled each other. Okay. So now 8 power square. So what we have remaining? 8 power 6 minus 1. So now I'm going to change this as in the form of a square minus b square. How we can able to change that? Let's see here. A square, 8 cube the whole square. Is it? 3 into 2. Okay. 8 power 3 into 2, which is equal to 8 power 6. This is in the form of m into n. So this can also be written as a power m the whole power n. Is it? So it becomes 3 square. So minus 1. Okay. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. Then again how it will be? A cube plus 1 and a cube minus 1 based on the formula. So 8 cube is nothing but what? 8 square is nothing but 64. 8 cube is nothing but 512 plus 1. 512 minus 1. So then what we have? 64 of 513 and 511. So here, in order to simplify the calculation, so what I am going to perform is 64 multiplied by, this can also be written as 500 plus 13 and this can also be written as 500 plus 11. Okay. So 500 into 500, that becomes 25 for this 20, for this 20. Okay. 500 into 11, 55,000 we know. Similarly, 13 into 500, 65,000. So 13 into 11, then it becomes 143. So just add everything. 3, 4, 1, balance 1, 2, balance 1, 6, 2. Okay, now which is equal to 64 multiplied by 262143. So we need to multiply these two. So for my convenient, I'm going to write like this. Just swap and write. Okay, the both are equal. So just multiple. 12 balance 1, 16 plus 1, 17. 4 plus 1, 5, 8. 6 4s are 24. Balance 2, 8 plus 2, 10. So just multiply it 6. 6 8s are 6 3s are 18. Balance 1. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. Balance 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 2s are 12. Balance 1. 6 are 36 plus 1, 37. 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15. Okay. So 2, 5, balance 1, 1, balance 1, 7, balance 1, 7. Again 7, 6, 1. Therefore, answer for this question is 167715. So this is the final answer. So therefore, which is equal to 167715. Okay. So practice twice and twice. You will get a perfect answer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.